Introducing the MaxTow Match 4th Gen Cummins Gauge Series. Gauges made for anyone driving a 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500 or 3500. Experience factory spec styling with a black gauge dial, clear flat lens, and chrome trim ring to match the original cluster. Monitor with pinpoint accuracy by taking readings on a double vision analog and digital LED display. Adjust brightness levels using 6 dimming settings for easier viewing any time of day or night. Overhaul your drive with a custom gauge package combining MaxTow Match gauges and factory-fitted Cummins pillar pods. The MaxTow Match 4th Gen Cummins Series, made to match 2010 to 2018 Ram trucks. Pick up yours at maxtow.com and get ready to tow to the max.